Oh, hey there. I just want to let you know that this video contains graphic words that are not suitable to all audiences. Your discretion is advised. Enjoy the video.
No one and nothing else. Oh, whiskey helps. Whiskey helps 'cause it's a medicine. Jack and Jim are always gentlemen when you're going through some kind of hell. Oh, whiskey helps. I think it does. My liver may say otherwise, but I think it does. If it's good whiskey. That's what whiskey helps.
Okay, so is this, how many limes do you need? Or how many limes are there?
I need all the limes on the fucking drink.
You need all the limes.
All of them.
Okay, fair enough. But there are no limes in your beer.
You know what? What I just put a little.
There you go, there you go. Okay. So I'm here with Victoria.
Yep.
Can I get you? Where are
Yep.
you?
Coyote Memphis.
There we go. Okay, here's the order. All right, ready for it?
Yep.
Colorful.
Colorful.
Strong.
Strong.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Go.
Colorful, strong, sweet.
Yeah, make it happen. Surprise me.
Oh.
My bartendress has made a red drink, a purple drink, a green drink, a pink drink. So now I've jacked her up by asking for an orange one. She's all challenged now. Well, the cup is certainly colorful.
It's a Caribbean mule.
A Caribbean mule. Cool. Yeah. This one's going on YouTube.
That's all right.
All right.
Fuck you, America!
Oh, no! We're gonna document this, but yes, he says, he hasn't said anything. He just went to mixing, like with authority, like he's just gonna whip this shit out. That actually looks like motor oil. Motor oil, yeah, used motor oil, in fact. Foamy maple syrup motor oil.
The lady
saw it.
Oh my God. I knew.
She'd do it with the rhythm of the music. Just for the video. No? Is that orange or yellow?
That's orange.
He says orange. What do you think?
I think it's yellow.
Nah, that's orange.
Twist on an old
So
fashioned.
it's got cherry juice, muddled up orange and cherries.
Okay.
A splash of grenadine and a splash of bitters served over rocks with Maker's Mark and a splash of Sprite.
It is colorful. It looks strong. Will it be
sweet?
Will it be sweet? Okay.
Sure.
Oh, I thought it was a secret.
I'll tell you. Coconut rum.
And I won't tell anybody.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Coconut rum, triple sec. It has a splash of cranberry, sour, Sprite, and a splash of pineapple at the top.
Plus that little fruity thing, lime.
Oh, and I put a lime at the top. Yep.
Yeah, okay. No, I have no clue. She called it a Caribbean mule.
I want to know what's in there. You better talk to me.
Yeah, now.
That is an orange one. How did you do it? Tell me how you did it.
Trade
Taylor
secrets.
peach, mandarin. I use mandarin just to make it taste orange.
Right.
The peach, give it a little tropical with the rum. Dark rum, orange juice.
I'm gonna go smoke a cigarette. That's
Easy
You're stressed and you have to smoke now?
I'm stressed.
Oh my God. Did you just say there's a beer called a middle finger?
Yes.
Is that the beer?
Middle finger.
This was the middle finger?
Sensation middle finger.
Give me a middle finger. Give me a middle finger. She wins. Everybody up with people, and yeah, there we go. Shots! Everybody, cheers.
Here's to you, here's to me. Best friends will always be.
Wait, I'm just gonna say, I really, really like your parties. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah.
I got it.
Actually, you're bringing a lot to this conversation. We've spent the whole night drinking various shades of red. What have you brought me?
It's like a Guinness milkshake. Is it good?
All right. Beer and ice cream
And liquor.
and chocolate and liquor. Fuck yeah. But a good drink should be like a good woman. Strong, colorful, sweet. Sales guns again.
That's the military. That's the military mom right there.
I know it is. Do not cheat me of the whipped cream. Top it off. Thank you. This is what I do on YouTube.
Oh, this is what you do.
Is I interview people and I drink.
Okay. Do you have job openings for both of us?
We are looking for new jobs. Ones that has benefits, health insurance,
Company parties?
The water, there's been a shark sighting at Joe's. Ah! That's real.
Thank you. Thank you very much. You have competition.
What's she make?
I have no idea what she made. You passed.
You like it?
This one is so much better
Then what?
when you drink all of it.
It's so much better when you drink all of it.
Well, after you've drank all of it.
Erin everywhere, that's Erin everywhere. That's my friend Erin, and he's everywhere. Rugged travels like 47,000 miles a year. He got more frequent flyer miles than George Clooney and